Hey friends, the rainy season is here, and because of the weather, because of less light, the atmosphere is very gloomy and dull, and we feel the same in our house. We feel very dull and gloomy during rainy season. So today I'm going to give you a simple tip how to lighten your mood and make the atmosphere in your house lively. Using light and bright color curtains in your house can help you fight with the gloomy and the dull atmosphere. This will help you to uplift your mood and brighten the atmosphere in the house. Light color curtains reflect more light and helps you compensate for the less of natural light during the rainy season. Also friends, light colors like yellow and orange have a psychological impact on the mood of a person. So these colors are associated with happiness, positivity, and it helps you uplift your mood. Friends, to help you boost your mood and change the atmosphere of your house from gloomy to bright with lot of energy and happiness, it's time to change your curtains to the lighter shade.